Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Mani Babu Furitlatpam, has commented that the strategy and approach for controlling students must be different from adult protesters. He added that in the wake of the disturbing photos of the death of 2 innocent students, which is going viral in social media platforms, students of schools, colleges who are young girls and boys under the age of 18 years are the main protesters. Lathi charge, tear gas cells, and rubber bullets should not be used arbitrarily and abruptly against children and students, and ordering to use such dangerous and deadly means without justifiable ground realities against the young children is unwarranted, he stated. He thus appealed to all stakeholders not to adopt systemic, institutionalized physical abuse and create psychological damage in the minds of the young students that will give long-lasting impact in their future life. He continued that if required, the security forces should use minimum force and other less injurious means such as warning through loudspeaker, ensuring adequate barricades, and water cannon may be used as last resort.